In the previous video where I showed you how to set this up in 10 minutes, I realised I've made a mistake. I just had a conversation with Norman and he pointed out that I put one of the keywords in the wrong place. So let me show you in the builder. You may remember from the previous video we created an invisible menu, and underneath that are two pages protected by logins. One is the view record history and the other one is the form that adds the record history. The mistake is that you shouldn't put the keyword inside this form. So where I instructed you to put this, that needs to be removed and saved. And where that should go is inside the form that you're actually using to edit or update your record. So just to explain, this form is adding a record history, so it doesn't need any keywords to add that record history. And what we were doing in the previous video is we were updating a record and clicking on the edit client form, and it's the edit client form here that needs the keyword. So click on the form, go to settings and put the keyword in here. So once again you have the context, in this case it's edit client, and then the expiry date. So if I go back to my live app and do a refresh, if I edit Boris Johnson again and I change his name to Borisy and put an extra number on the phone number and submit, I'll now look at my record history and I can see here that I've got two changes, one to the name from Boris Johnson to Borisy Johnson, and the phone number has an extra digit on the end. So sorry for the confusion on that. Simply a case of going into your builder, locating in your hidden menu the page that says add record history, clicking on it and removing the keyword from the description, and then add the keyword to the pages where you're updating. So any page that you're editing or updating the record, you then need to use the keyword add record history and then the context and expiry date. I hope that makes sense. Sorry for any confusion.